Make sure you guys vote on which one of these locomotives you want to see restored. Alright guys, you've cast your ballots for the first locomotive in our series of 5 restorations, and the winner is, drumroll, the Mantua Kit Bash. I got the tender here, which I don't know if I happened to show in the other video. Here it is, Pennsylvania tender. Basically, here's the cab. I found the cab. You guys said you wanted this one to be restored the most first, so this is the one that we're going to focus on today. I am going to make some modifications to this in the future, such as I want to add a light in the front, but today we're just going to be cleaning it up. This is interesting. I haven't worked on a locomotive like this, and I don't think anybody else has, because this is a logger chassis on a Mikado shell. It's really cool. You can see it's pretty darn dusty, if the camera will focus. Also, somebody painted the handrails, and we're going to fix that. We're going to find a new screw for the cab, so that can go back on. But, yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I think we need to do is we need to remove this shell, which I don't honestly know. I think it's these 2 screws right here. And there we go. Yep, it's off. Well, let's get to work. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a really, really fun restoration project, and the fact that I found the Erie logo underneath that paint on the back of the tender made it so much cooler. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss Dan's quality content. And, without further ado, I'll be on my way.